Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling NFC so your phone can exchange data with the card. Open a trusted read/write app because different apps handle NDEF payloads and formatting. You want one that shows tag UID. Once the app is open, hold the card near the phone's NFC coil, usually the back and slightly toward the top or center, until the app detects a tag. Make sure location and orientation are steady. This improves signal coupling and prevents failed reads. Now you format and write the data. First, verify the tag's capacity and whether it's already locked because you cannot change a locked tag. If needed, format to NDEF. This standard ensures interoperability. Choose the payload type, URI for links, text for notes, or custom MIME for apps. Enter the exact content and preview. Apps typically show byte use. When ready, press write and hold the card steady. Wait for confirmation. Many apps will report success and show the written record. Finish by testing the tag on another device so you verify behavior across phones. Tap the card, confirm the correct payload launches, and check actions like opening a URL or applying settings. If the tag holds sensitive or fixed data, apply a password or lock it. Be careful, permanent lock is irreversible. Finally, note the tag UID and location. That helps troubleshooting and replacement. If the tag fails to respond, move it slightly. Ensure no metal interference, and retry the write.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.